Rising, everyone. It's Aria, Lion of God here. Hi, checking in. Hope you all are having a very happy, thriving Monday. So I am currently at the park or recreational center, whatever you want to call it, with my beautiful angels. And it is, by a indoctrination school camp. And I just want to show y'all, because like apparently people don't use critical thinking or whatever today, but this is not normal. Okay, that's not normal. It's not normal to put your kid in a building that resembles a prison, a jail, with numbers and telling them to line up in single file or whatever, that barely have any windows too. Like, we need sunlight. We are human beings. Human means light beings. Okay, praise God that there are some windows right there, but come on,